That's what we like.
We're gonna call it the Moon's Cut Impact Crater.
Got it. Sounds good to me. What you got there?
That's one on 660. I found it about 20 yards back.
Woo! Look at that. 660 grain.
Yeah.
BMG.
Yep.
Since you want to know about the target bulb, here I'll go ahead and show you.
Oh, wait a minute now. I was fixing to do the intro. Can't show that yet.
All right.
You can't. Yeah, you can't. That's a surprise ending. Ooh. What is that?
What is that?
What is that? That's cool.
It's a good time waiting to happen.
That's a good time waiting to happen. I see a good time waiting to happen on the table over there. I see a couple of good times waiting to happen right here.
That's an anti-personnel Pew Pew.
Anti-personnel Pew Pew. Sounds good to me. All right, well, Pew Pew fans, now that we've got the other video done, we're going to test a couple for the pawn shop. We got a Rock Island 1911 380, and we got a Taurus Judge Public Defender. Don't have any 45 long Colt rounds to run through this, but I do got some 410. 2.5, 1245 velocity, half-ounce 4-shot to run through it. And we got some PMC 90 grain FMJ for the little Rock Island. And then we're going to have some fun. But the last shot of the day is a surprise. So, Pew Pew. We're going to test these from here. We're going to move down for those. All right, pause. All right, ready when y'all are. Whoever wants to go first. Roger ain't waiting.
All right, it's a cute little brother to the 45 ACP, 380 ACP.
380 ACP.
It's still subsonic as well. If it had that little twisty on the front, we'd have it nice and quiet.
Hell yeah.
It'd be sweet. And these are any of your stock ammo for this is already subsonic, so you don't have to heavy year round to get it to be Hollywood quiet.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, yeah.
There's a bit of info I didn't know.
So yeah, these are nice little guns.
She goes.
Yeah.
She definitely goes pew.
She's nice and slim.
Yep. It was. I carried it in my pocket over here to the table.
Six or seven rounds.
I put 7 in it.
Slide safety's on.
Nice.
It'll take a little getting used to where the zero's at on that.
Yeah. Well, I'll reload it while somebody wants to go ahead and take the 410.
I'm here.
Good.
I'm only going to put a couple in it. Then I'm going to step out of the way. Taurus Judge Public Defender. 5 long Colt, 410.
If that's up to short grip, it ain't bad.
Good. Awesome. Are you still able to pinky it?
Oh, not really.
Not bad at all. Not bad at all.
That can be carried in the pocket pretty easy.
There's 2 more in there if you want it.
Dig it. Yeah.
That's not bad at all. Yeah. Come here, dadgummit. That's not bad at all. Oh, a couple on this one. Yeah, that's not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, like I said, it thing fits. Oh, mag safety. It's got a mag safety. No? Ah, there it goes. Fits right in your pocket. Where's my pocket? There's my pocket. There, fits right in your pocket. That. It's a maybe. It's a maybe. All right, well, my ears on for the shotgun. 50 Beowulf pistol.
Yeah.
This is gonna be loud.
Yeah. We
Oh, and
hot.
he's got that tanker brake on there too.
Yeah, we are hot.
Oh, oh, feel that.
That is.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
For a good time call.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Safe zone.
Baby.
Got it.
I'm so dead over here.
Oh yeah. You know I can't turn down a shot.
That's what I'm saying.
Now, that is a beast right there.
Yes, it is. Safety's on. I hear that.
That is a beast.
Yeah, it is.
I love this joker.
That's what's up.
What's the thread pitch on that, Barrel?
What's that?
What's your thread pitch?
1164.
64, like 45 speed. Last cigarette.
Time is coming now.
He's got the last smoke for him.
Yep. Yep. Guards will be coming for him soon. Yeah, his twin brother's unaliving date hasn't come yet. Oh, he's been condemned also. He's condemned by firing squad though. It's all enough. Yeah, we had to go to Anonymous to get some ammo anyway, so while I was there I went and picked up the 357 and the 12 gauge that I need for the shoot was coming up good. That 12 gauge round seemed to be going in the butt. Alright, good, I got it. I'm gonna pause the camera though. This is Marlin,
I still got plugs in.
1895.
4570.
Plate.
You can go to that plate or you can go to the orange plate.
The little orange plate?
Little, big, it don't matter.
We'll try the big orange plate. Are we chambered?
No.
That is pretty.
There's a light trigger in it, so
Thanks for the warning. You're going for the big plate.
No, I'm going for the little plate.
Oh, you going for the little plate? God, that shoots nice.
go ahead. I got plenty of ammo.
I'm gonna let go. That empty's still in there. Oh. Yep, I know what the next rifle's gonna be.
I am seriously thinking about one myself.
No, there's no thinking about it. I'm buying one.
4570 does got some nice thump. I like that brake on that rifle too.
Oh, yeah.
A lot less on the shoulder than I thought it was going to be.
No, it's nothing on the
Pretty
shoulder.
soft, really. It's all right, man.
Hell yeah, I'll take some. I love me some 4570.
Did I already? Did someone pick up that?
Brian's been getting them. Oof.
Yeah. Yeah, man. If people are putting suppressors
Empty's still
on
in it. That is nice. That is nice.
Dude, shit, motherfuckers with suppressors on them.
Oh yeah, I want one. Yep.
I love that trigger I put in it. It's flat faced, it's light.
Yeah.
Rapid fire that sucker. Nice. Oh, yeah. Bonanza.
Oh, yeah.
No, I ain't scared.
Do.
Thank you, sir. All right. The barrel's getting a little warm. Oh.
Get the protein squeezing out.
Smells good. That's nice. That is nice. Will?
This is seven. This is one. Oh, this is one.
Yeah, these will get reloaded.
I swear I saw one fly over this way. Somebody got it over
There it is.
Yep, right there. Yeah, these will get reloaded.
Oh, you on that?
God, man, it's too much grass not to.
Do that.
I got dice.
So we got the backdrop for the target we're going to be using behind the condemned bear there. So we'll hold that in. Oh, wait. Here we go.
Target's your friend.
All right, there we go. That's like deja vu.
Not that one either.
It is. grab you over here.
Oh, I see.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. All right.
Now we got the right target.
That's good. You grab that in. We'll roll it out. Oh, we got it back there. There you go.
Oh. My friends.
Sister,
Did you see the bottom of it?
Elmo says good luck, fucker. We got us a dead bear walking. Teddy Ruxpin here has been convicted in Sister's court of being extremely annoying and sentenced to unaliving by Tannerite. We will now walk the condemned down the green mile. Or the green grass mile. We'll catch you back there in a minute.
Hi, my name is Teddy Ruxpin. Can you and I...
Shut the hell up!